Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by securing the prerequisites. Set your stats to prioritize INT, slot LUK only if you rely on crits, and pick a staff/rod with flat MAC. Once done, equip cast speed or INT headgear and accessories to cut downtime. Make sure to load SB potions and quick-use items so you never interrupt a cast sequence. This initial setup speeds every step that follows and prevents basic failures like running out of SB mid-combo. So do it now and test a single spell to confirm. Now you move into the execution phase. Bind your main damage spell, any focus toggle, and key buffs to immediate hotkeys so you can react without cursor hunting. Before engaging, apply INT and cast speed buffs, then initiate the spell chain with your heaviest nuke when monsters are clustered. Once casting, stay rooted or use minimal movement to avoid animation breaks, and interleave high-cost spells with cheaper ones to let SP and cooldowns recover. This sequence keeps pressure steady and preserves focus across fights. Final steps close the loop. After the main rotation, use a wide area finisher or crowd control to clear stragglers and give yourself breathing room to recover SP and buffs. If you play with a party, ask for SP support or status cleanses to maintain uninterrupted focus. Coordination reduces waste. If things go wrong, stop moving immediately, verify your gear enchants and cast speed modifiers, and watch SP and cooldown displays for mismatches. One troubleshooting tip: rebind risky keys and test in a safe map to isolate the failure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.